Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you personalize settings in TikTok. If you want to personalize settings in TikTok, you'll need to follow these simple steps. So first thing first, open your TikTok application, log into your account, and what next you want to do is tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. And then click on the menu bar from the top right hand side corner, go to settings and privacy, and there you have these options, right? So on this section, what you could do is over here you have these content display, right? So this is actually gonna be your personalized settings. So what you could do is here on this page you could go ahead and personalize your settings. So to begin with, you could go ahead and personalize notification as well. You could go ahead and customize this, and moving on, you could go ahead and click on the live content as well. And next, you could also go to the music, you could go to activity center, and then you have these content preferences. You could go ahead and accordingly make sure to change all these. And then you want to go ahead and click on the language as well. You could go with screen time and then family sharing as well. So basically, this is the way you could go ahead and personalize settings in your TikTok. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.